11 enforcement, 1024.
Go ahead.
We're on Towson pulling into the Super 8. It's going to be on a white Dodge. I think it's a Journey. And tag's fictitious coming back on BMW. It's Arkansas 681 Young Union Lincoln.
10-4.
I don't know what they're doing. $10.37.
10-4, 10-20.
Wash Street. Going out to Wheeler.
Lot of Wheeler, 10-4.
Stop right there! Stop! Stop! Horseman out there on foot. You better stop!
10-4, 20.
We were running. Forth. Over here, please. That weed yours? EMS is coming to check her out. In the meantime, you're going to sit in the car. Hold on, not yet. I'm going to double lock these. Do you have anything on your person?
No, sir.
Do you have anything illegal?
No, sir, but I'm pleased with my babe, though.
Step up here in front of my car.
Do you have a family?
My camera's right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run my back of my hand around your waist. Make sure you don't have anything in your pockets or in your waistband.
Any female officers?
I said I'm just wet checking your waistband. I ain't touching nothing. Is there anything in your bra? Okay. Well, my back seat's cleaned out. I clean it out every day. You're also on camera in the back seat. Do you have anything illegal on your person? There's only one person it came from. Have a seat. Is she standing up? The girl down. Oh, you just got here? Okay.
I have no idea. I don't know what's going on. So where do you?
There's a couple of them down the alley.
Okay. Okay, so she took.
Well, come on. Obviously, blue lights aren't going to stop you, so keep going. You're fine.
Okay, so what is she wearing?
Oh, she's already caught. Yeah. When I told them to put her in handcuffs, she just collapsed to the ground. 11 enforcement.
Page 11.
Start at 10:11 for that journey. Now I got a VIN for you. Yep. Did you tear through the rest of it? All right, we're gonna handle that.
Do you need me to pat her down for you?
There you go.
Katie is concerned about her money, that she's got 5 kids, and it's all the money she's got to be able to buy formula and everything like that. And I told her that's a you issue, not a me issue. So.
It's late. She mentioned that first.
Oh no.
Oh.
That's Xanax bar.
That folks. Yeah.
This is
Yep.
one. Make sure it don't blow off real quick.
Yeah, because if she had blue pills, there's a possibility she may have tossed those too. I don't know where she would have tossed them at.
But yeah, we just ran that way and all the way around the building, but there's a fence back there, so I was gonna see if I could get through the fence and if I could go back there and look.
Were they in the backpack?
Back, yeah, very back of it. Was that on her person?
Do you want me to see if I can
Was
get
there anything in it?
called out for an article search?
Cash, money, and IDs, and like a credit card or something.
We tried that, and they said that Fortson PD did not have anybody. So
Crazy, we got people on call.
I'm good.
On call, I can try.
I'm good with it. No, we're fine.
Okay.
This is the one you were talking about? Okay, all the cash is in there. They'll count it at the jail, and I'm going to hold on to this for now, okay? I hadn't talked to her since she decided to lay down on the ground, okay?
I'm talking about the opposite.
And then whatever
The
Destiny
money
had
is
and then it's
in my
on.
backpack, or in my car, there's a Stitch backpack, and there's a white, it's like a white folder, it's got 100 envelopes saved in.
Can you get back there?
And I have like, each day up until the 12th day.
If I find it, you're saying you want it to go with you?
Yes, it's in my Stitch.
Okay.
I think that's what you said. They were in the fenced-in area, right?
No, they were just outside the fence.
She could have threw a gun or threw whatever she had over the fence.
Yeah, and this business is closed.
So far, just that half a pill, I think, is Xanax bar and that weed. But both of them, it sounded like 2 felony warrants out of Texas, along with fleeing on foot and vehicle.
Hey, I don't know if you want to take pictures of any of this. I guess there are warrants from Macy's from stealing a bunch of stuff. There's a bunch of jewelry, watch.
H11 Horseman.
H11.
Since you're taking pictures, you mind sending all that to me?
Sure.
I'll give you my
Absolutely.
number before I leave.
Yeah, I was going to send my
Does it
wife
have a
so we could,
description of stolen items listed on their warrants?
Negative.
And you say all that's fake.
Yeah, every one of them I've seen so far says motion picture use right here at the top.
Yeah, okay.
Motion picture purposes. And on the back corner it says copy. But I was going to get it all out, log that it's here and it's fake. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of stuff back here.
My wife kicked out that.
You don't want to help?
Crazy.
I was asking that.
Yeah, you ain't got to be too crazy with it.
Funny money or that real money?
She's talking about that Stitch bag. That's play money.
Yeah, I'm going to say, that's funny money.
She's talking about a Stitch bag. You got it?
Oh.
It's got like some kind of book in it she wanted to take.
That's crazy. I bet they've been honest.